Screen protector I used 8 years ago, 6 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago. None of them has passed my test. That's why I am using MagicJohn 3rd generation now, and only this. Why? How did it win my heart? First, it's super easy to apply. All you need to do is get rid of the glass and the fingerprint, and then gently close that. Pull the dust removal tape. Because I know everybody can get this to perfection. No dust, no air bubble, no misalignment. Privacy version, 28 degrees from each end. And on top of that, electroplated, hydrophobic, oleophobic, layered up. Super smooth, yet very scratch resistant. That's why it won my heart. Yeah, those are bad. So, last thing to say, I have leave this link down there. So clicking your card, you have a chance to grab this perfection screen protector yourself too. So do it now.